Hi Asad, how are you? Mm, we are facing some problem actually. Uh, you see the page. This is a new supplier of Bradley Cordwell, and today when we were working, Rabbi and also me, we are facing same problem. That is, we cannot open the seller site. We show only two seller here, but we cannot open it. So we do not know how many seller over there. That is the issue actually. I show you another product, and there have also same problem showing. So what's the problem actually? We don't know, understand. So please check this and try to know this. Thank you for